pot size. Start with a small pot and later on repot it in a 2 size bigger pot. Plant too large a pot can rot roots due to excessive moisture. The container should provide good drainage by plenty of drainage holes. Standing water in pot may kill the plant. Location: where to place the pot. Camellias prefer shade, especially during hot sun. Do not put pot in full sunlight. This plant is growing in bright shade and was never in full sun. Soil for Camellia plant. Camellia needs a well-drained, nutrition-rich, slightly acidic soil. You can use an acidic potting mix suitable for azaleas and camellias. Or make your own soil mixture by mixing soil with compost and coarse river sand. Compost makes the soil nutrition-rich and acidic, while sand makes it free-draining. Use a mixture of 70% potting mix, 15% river sand and 15% compost. Every year replace top 1 inch soil with new soil or compost when your plant begins to set buds. Put a thick layer mulch on the soil to preserve moisture and prevent weeds. Mulch adds valuable nutrients to the soil released during its breakdown. Watering camellias. Consistent moisture is very important for a healthy camellia when growing in container. Insert a finger in the soil, and if the top 1 inch soil is dry, then water deeply until it drains out from bottom holes. Empty the saucer below the pot so that plant does not sit in water to prevent root rot. In the hot summers, you may need to water it every day. Camellia pruning. Pruning not needed except to limit the size and shape of the plant. Remove dead branches and dead flowers. Only light pruning after flowering has ended is recommended. Hard pruning for better shape would take 2 years to reflower. Remove dead flowers. Fertilizer for camellias. Remove weeds and open up soil to add oxygen to roots. Apply fertilizer for acidic plants from spring to autumn when the plant grows and forms flower buds. Sprinkle fertilizer along the rim of the container and then mix in the soil. Then apply a layer of compost or cow manure. Put a thick layer mulch on the soil to preserve moisture and prevent weeds. Repotting a camellia plant. Every 4th year in late autumn or winter, gently tap around the pot to loosen the soil and take out the plant and examine the roots. Healthy roots look firm, flexible, moist and white in color. Remove any roots with black color. These are due to rot. If you are happy with the size of the plant, then change about 25% soil and repot in the same pot. Repot in a larger pot if you want your plant to grow more. While repotting, cut off the lower 1/3 of the tap root before repotting. This will encourage to grow more fibrous roots growing sideways into the soil rather than reaching deeply. Camellias, pests and diseases. Camellias are generally disease and insect resistant plants. However, unhealthy and too dry plant can have aphids, scales, spider mites and caterpillars. Spray a mixture of pest oil and neem oil on both sides of the leaves. Mix 1 milliliter neem oil, 1 milliliter pest oil and a few drops of dishwashing soap in 1 liter water and spray. Camellia problems. Camellia buds not opening and dropping. Root bound plant, compacted soil, underwatering or direct sun can drop buds and leaves. If the plant has crowded roots, then repot it in a bigger pot. Open up the compacted soil to add oxygen to the soil. Relocate the plant in shade and water if it is water stressed. Camellia leaves turning yellow or brown and then dropping indicates underwatering or too much sun. Move the pot in shade and increase watering. Protecting camellias in winter. During extreme cold conditions, move the plant indoors to avoid cold burn and dieback. Mist the leaves daily to provide humidity if the humidity level in your home is low. Or keep the pot on small pebbles on a saucer filled with water to add humidity to the air. Getting more flowers. Reasons for camellia not flowering are incorrect soil, too much or frequent fertilizer, the plant in too much dark light or too much sunlight, or the plant is water stressed. Pruning at wrong time or hard pruning will also prevent blooming. You can try to relocate your plant in a brighter shade or in morning sun. Pruning at wrong time or hard pruning will also prevent blooming. Only light pruning after flowering has ended is recommended. To get more flowers on camellia plant, ensure consistent moisture in the soil and feed a liquid fertilizer during the growing season. Please subscribe to my channel to watch my other videos and also hit the bell icon to get informed when I post new videos.